Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake without an oven. We'll explore simple, effective methods to bake a delicious cake using common kitchen items. You don't need a fancy oven to enjoy a homemade treat. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to the final delicious result, ensuring a fun and easy baking experience for everyone. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your oven-free baking skills. Before we begin, let's gather our essential tools and ingredients. You'll need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot with a tight-fitting lid or a pressure cooker. Make sure you have a cake pan that fits comfortably inside. For ingredients, grab about 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and some baking powder. Don't forget oil or butter to grease your pan well. Now let's prepare our delicious cake batter. In one bowl, combine your dry ingredients, about 1½ cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In another, whisk together 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of oil. Gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined. Next, place a metal stand or trivet in your pot and add about 2 cups of water. It's time to bake. Carefully place your greased cake pan, filled with batter, onto the stand inside your pot. Ensure the pot is covered tightly with its lid to create a steaming environment. Cook on a low to medium flame for approximately 40 to 50 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Let it cool before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.